In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for meetings and video conference calls. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to technology, Microsoft Teams offers a robust platform that's easy to navigate and highly efficient for your communication needs. Let's dive into the essentials that will help you get started and make the most out of your virtual meetings. First, you'll want to have Microsoft Teams installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it by visiting the official Microsoft website. Installation is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to get set up. Once installed, open the Teams application and sign in using your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, create an account to begin. With Teams open, you'll find the interface is quite intuitive. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. To schedule a new meeting, click on the calendar icon. This will open up your calendar view where you can see your existing meetings and schedule new ones. To create a meeting, simply click the New Meeting button located in the top right corner. Now that you're setting up a meeting, it's important to fill in all the necessary details. Enter a title for the meeting, invite participants by typing in their email addresses, and select a convenient date and time. Microsoft Teams even offers you the ability to add a physical location if needed. One handy feature to note is the availability status visible next to participants. This helps you select a time when everyone can attend. Once your meeting is scheduled, click the Send button. Invites will promptly be sent out to all participants via email, and they'll have the opportunity to accept or decline, just like any other meeting request. As the meeting time approaches, you can easily join the meeting through the notification that comes up in Teams or by revisiting your calendar. Simply click Join to enter the meeting room. You'll see an option to enable or disable your camera and microphone before entering, giving you control over your privacy and audio before you connect. During the meeting, you'll have a suite of features available to you. You can share your screen by clicking the Share icon, which is extremely helpful for presentations or collaborative work. Additionally, there's a chat function if you need to share links or documents without interrupting the conversation verbally. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the mute button. It goes a long way in preventing background noise during discussions. Finally, when your meeting concludes, simply click the End Call button to leave. Teams automatically saves the chat history, which can be a valuable resource for reviewing meeting notes and shared documents.